Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class, let us solve some problems on fitting of Poisson distribution. How to fit the given data to the Poisson distribution. In exam, you will get this type of problem for 10 marks. So, we are solving this type of problem. Same problem for different x and f values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 7 and more. Here 68, 134, 122, 43, 19, 7, 2, 0. And here n is equal to 395. And next, the first step is nothing but we have to find x bar, that is summation of fx divided by n. To find out that, we have to find the fx value and its total. It is 0, 134, 244, 129, 76, 35, 12, 0, and this total is 630. To find x bar, it is 630 divided by 395. So, x bar is equal to 1.6. X bar is equal to 1.6. In Poisson distribution, lambda is equal to mean, that is equal to x bar. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1.6. So, we have found out the lambda value, parameter lambda. The next is, we have to write the PMF. That is P of x equals e power minus lambda, lambda power x divided by x factorial. X can take the value 0, 1, 2, etc. infinity. Okay. Next, first probability we are finding, that is P0 e power minus 1.6, 1.6 power 0 by 0 factorial. So, P0 is equal to 0.2018. Next, we have to find T0, it is n into P0. This is n is 395 into 0.2018. So, T0 is equal to 79.711. Approximately it is 80. So, till here the procedure will be same, and next also procedure will be same. That is, we have to write the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation. In recurrence relation, T of x is equal to lambda by x into T of x minus 1. This is the recurrence relation. See, here T of x minus 1 is nothing but the previous frequency. Let us find that T1, lambda is 1.6 by 1 into the previous one, that is 79.711, and this is equal to 127.5376, approximately 128. Next, find out T2. It is 1.6 by 2 into the previous frequency. It is 5376, and this is equal to 102.0300. Approximately it is 102. Next, T3. It is 1.6 by 3 into 102.0300. This is equal to 54.416, and it is approximately equal to 54. Next, it is T4, 1.6 by 4 into 54.416, and this is equal to 21.7664. Approximately it is 22. Next, T5, it is 1.6 by 5 into 21.7664 divided by, is equal to 6.9652. Approximately it is 7. Next, T6, 1.6 by 6 into 6.9652, and this is equal to 1.8573. Approximately it is 2. And last one is T7. It is 1.6 by 7 into 1.8573 is equal to 0.4245, approximately equal to 0. So, this is how we have calculated the theoretical frequency. Next, we have to write the we have to tabulate that values x, y, EI. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or more. 7 or more. And here observed frequency that is given 68, 134, 122, 43, 19, 7, 2, 0. And the expected, that theoretical frequency, that whatever we have calculated, it is 80, 128, 102, 54, 22, 7, 2 and 0. Your n is equal to 395, your also n is equal to 395. So this is how we have calculated the Poisson distribution, that is fitting of Poisson distribution. Let us solve one more problem on this. Here x equals x values, f values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and more. 6 and more, and f is equal to 50, 24, 8, 6, 8, 4, 0. First step is we have to find the mean. For that we have to find n and fx. Here n is equal to 100, and to find fx it is 0, 24, 16, 18, 32, 20, 0, and this total is equal to 112. First find out x bar. It is summation of fx divided by n, and this is 112 by 100. So x bar is equal to 1.2. X bar is equal to 1.12. One point 1.2. Okay. This is 110. Here this total is 110. So here we have found out the x bar value. So it is 1.1. X bar is 1.1. So lambda is also 1.1. Next, write down the PMF. It is P of x equals e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. X can take the value 0, 1 to etc. infinity. Next, find out the first probability P0. It is e power minus 1.1, 1.1 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. So P0 is equal to 0.3328. Next, find out T0. It is n into P of 0. T0 is equal to 100 into 0.3328. So T0 is equal to 33.28, approximately 33. Approximately 33. Next, write down the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation. T of x equals lambda by x into T of x minus 1. First find out T1 is equal to 1.1 by 1 into 33.28, and this is equal to 36.60, approximately it is 37. Next, T2 is 1.1 by 2 into 36.60, this is equal to 20.1344, approximately it is 20. Okay. Next, T3, 1.1 by 3 into 20.1344, and this is equal to 7.3826, approximately it is 7. Next, T4, 1.1 by 4 into 7.3826, this is equal to 2.0302, approximately it is 2. T5, 1.1 by 5 into 2.0302. This is equal to 0.4466. Approximately I will make this to 1 because your 6 is there. If I make this 4 as 5 and again this 4 as 5, so that it will approximately equal to 1 to make the table complete. Next T6 is 1.1 by 6 into 0.4466. This is equal to 0.0818. Approximately it is 0. Lastly, you have to tabulate this OI and EI. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and more. So OI means observed frequency that given 50, 24, 8, 6, 8, 4, 0 and this total n is equal to 100 and here EI is the calculated one, that is 33, 37, 27, 2, 1, 0 and your n is also 100. So this is how we have calculated the or fit the Poisson distribution to the given data. So in examination you will get this type of problem for 5 marks or 10 marks. Okay, and this is very important concept in your exam point of view. Please follow this one. Okay, don't forget any steps because each and every steps will also carries marks, and here you will calculate the lambda value. When you are calculating the lambda value, that calculated lambda value is very important. If you do the mistakes in when you are calculating the lambda value, then whole problem will goes wrong. So calculating the lambda value and T0 value, these procedure till here if you are correct, then only these values or the expected frequencies, theoretical frequencies will be correct. Okay, don't forget anything. Recurrence relation is also important. Finding the lambda value is important, and don't forget to write the PMF because PMF is also carries marks. Also at last you have to show the frequencies in a table form, that will also carries marks. Okay, thank you.